The young child fed the ducks. The farmer fed her sheep on the farm. The farmer fed his pigs in the field. The young boy fed the giraffe at the zoo. The man, who was sitting on the park bench, fed the pigeons. The man fed the seagull at the beach. The man in the car fed the deer at the wildlife park. The woman fed her kitten from the bottle. The owner fed his dog. The girl fed the baby lamb from the milk bottle. The little boy fed the pigeons some bread. The woman fed the squirrel some nuts from her hand. The farmer got up early in the morning and fed his chickens. The woman, who was sitting outside on the grass, fed her dog some dog treats. The father fed his newborn baby some milk from the bottle. Jesus fed 5,000 hungry people. The homeless man fed a large group of pigeons. The volunteers fed the homeless at the homeless shelter. The staff at the homeless shelter fed the homeless man. The man fed his dog from the dog bowl. The woman fed her horse some hay in the stall. The woman fed her pet cat some meat. The mother breastfed her baby. The nurse fed the patient through a tube. The farmer fed the cows at the dairy farm. The mother fed her baby some food with a spoon. The mother fed her baby some milk from a baby bottle. The doctor fed the patient some soup.